Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This was a very short flight out to Camanche Lake, and I took my girlfriend and two of my friends with us, and we just did a flight around the lake. It was an hour long. It was a great flight, a little bit windy, but it turned out pretty good. Hopefully you guys liked the video. If you do, please hit the thumbs up down below. And if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe, and that's down below as well. You can hit the little bell icon to get notifications when I put out videos. Don't do videos very often, but I try to every time I go flying. I try to make a video. Anyways, if you guys want to get notifications, hit that notification bell and please subscribe. Hopefully you liked the video, and we'll see you at the end with some nice bloopers. All right.
With traffic, RV 20 Delta, 4 to the north, traffic advisory, Franklin.
Yeah, one that just took off on 27, and we're going to land up on 27 here, take off as well. We're going to be departing to the east, flight of 2 for Franklin.
Franklin, thank you.
Ready?
Yep.
Okay.
Franklin traffic, RV 20 Delta, overflying the field at 1,500. We'll be making left traffic for 27 Franklin. Franklin traffic, close to 014 Alpha Echo is departing 27 left downwind departure. I'll be looking for the traffic. The traffic, RV 20 Delta, overhead at 1,500. We'll be making left traffic for 27 Franklin.
Fluence ever chance turning cross for runway 27, Franklin. I got the RV. I got the RV on in sight. On the RV traffic for Franklin, I'm gonna just follow in behind you, and we're gonna depart at 2 downwind.
Okay, that's fine. Are both you guys airborne now?
That's affirmative.
Okay, I'm coming in on the left 45 here. Thanks. Yeah, I'm upwind right at your 9 o'clock. We got you inside. Okay, I got you too. Thanks.
Racetrack pond.
Racetrack pond?
Yeah.
Oh,
Kind of built to do like motor racing,
oh,
watercraft racing. Am I going fast enough there, Brent?
Yeah, you're good. Thank you.
Whoa.
Wind?
Okay.
All right.
Out of nowhere. Hey Josh, just be aware, we're going to get some weird winds and some updrafts because of these hills, rising terrain.
Yep, I'm going off to your right.
Makes me nervous sometimes because I can't see him.
Let me know when you're making that right turn.
What's that?
So I'm just going to stay out here. Just let me know when you're making that right turn.
Okay, I'm going to probably come over this little arena here, and I'll make a right turn right after that.
Actually, I'm going to get on your left.
Look, another one of your hairs.
Sorry.
I just shared it with the world. I'm just going to keep concentration on flying this thing forward.
We're almost done, bud.
He's really close. Bye-bye, water. That's the little...
Did you want to fly formation off me at all?
With the way the wind is, I mean, I guess I could, but I don't have anything facing you.
Just stay kind of far back. I'm going to go ahead and go under you on your left-hand side, and then you can jump behind me. We flying back to Franklin?
Yeah, I'm flying that way. Alright, we're good. Coming back?
Yep.
Got it. Here, I'll just slow down. I'll just stall real quick.
You're gonna do a stall? Oh, yep, there he goes. He's gonna stall. I think I'm gonna do a little bit of slow flight.
That's what I was doing.
So slow flight is one thing that we practice. And yeah, slow flight for you is full speed for me. So one thing
Fucking A.
we do practice is slow flight.
Uh-huh.
So basically, fly the plane on the edge
Uh-huh.
of a stall. Today it's a little windy, so I don't know if it's going to work all that great. But we get down to, like, you look at the ground, since it's not really windy, but we're not moving really fast. Probably at 50 miles an hour.
Wow.
If the wind, like, comes and goes hella fast, it'll make us drop. But this is considered slow flight. Like, I'm not right on the edge of it, but pretty slow.
I'm like way behind you.
Oh, okay.
Hey guys, well, hopefully you enjoyed that video. The flight turned out pretty well. It was a good flight. I've got plenty of bloopers here from trying to make this video. It was oh so hard to not say stupid things or not to sound stupid. I mean, maybe I still do, I don't know. Anyways, so hopefully you guys like the the end of this video, and you can see all the bloopers and you can see all the stuff that it took to even try to make the voiceover and the videos. Anyways, as you can, my fish tank's in the back. Hopefully you guys liked the video. Subscribe. Again, thank you for watching, and we'll see you on the next one. Definitely been a bad year for illnesses, so yes, my order will be delivered. I did make a video a couple weeks ago, and it's a really good video. Yeah, I keep saying Start over. Hey guys, welcome back to the video. Because we went flying and it was a really good flight. I'm retarded. I'm legally retarded. was kind of a really random flight. We weren't really planning on going flying. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I can't not say Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today's flight. I'm fucking we went flying over to I forgot what lake it was called. Motherfucker, I'm so fucking stupid. Jesus Christ. Alright, I'm gonna stop this. During the pandemic that we're part of right now. If I say one more time. I just want to start this off with, you don't know how hard it is to make these videos and not sound like a complete idiot. Right. Glad we got that out.